right, Mark, what does Scarborough offer when it comes to multi-vendor consolidation?
So multi-vendor consolidation for Scarborough means two things. So on the inbound side, that can mean we get in containers that have multiple different vendors' products inside the container, meaning there can be multiple different POs, types of product on the container. We demand the container, break it all out by the specific customer's freight. We take whatever specifications that they've outlined for us to adhere to and change the state of the freight to match those expectations, whether that's something as simple as us, bringing it out, palletizing it in certain quantities and certain weights and certain heights and all of that, or anything of that nature, to us bringing the freight out and repacking it, relabeling it, putting it on different different types of boxes, building customized crating solutions for it, all of those things. On the outbound side, what that means is that when we offer a multi-vendor consolidations, when we have relationships with carriers where we have daily pickups, and we leverage all of our different customers' LTL and potentially FTL freight consolidations to where you can garner the best price point possible because you potentially are sharing that pickup cost with multiple different customers of Scarborough's to give you the best advantage possible to get your goods to market in the cheapest possible scenario.